On 6th August 2021, Singapore MOM made a press release that fully vaccinated work pass holders and their dependents with travel history to high-risk countries can start apply for entry approval. When read this message, it makes many of us feels happy and relaxed. Finally, our long waiting period is going to end. But as an Indian, it is really a happy news? Unfortunately, no. Because they mention high-risk countries but with a footnote which excludes India, Bangladesh, Nepal, Pakistan, Sri Lanka and Myanmar. If they have a recent travel history including transit within last 21 days, so for Indians, literally no any change or relaxation given. Then what is this update from MOM says and how Indians can get entry approval to Singapore? First thing is, Singapore now starts relaxation for fully vaccinated travelers. It's a good news. Let's see who are fully vaccinated travelers. The one who completed both doses of vaccination as per WHO emergency list for Indians Covishield vaccination and at least completed 14 days from the second dose are considered as fully vaccinated traveler according to the Singapore MOM. While boarding the flight, the traveler to provide vaccination certificate and after completing 14 days stay home notice have to undergo for a serology test. They are the conditions they put for the fully vaccinated travelers. For Indians, those who are not completed 2 doses of vaccination, please do it as soon as possible. Please take Covishield as it is approved by WHO for emergency uses. Second thing is, there is a change in stay home notice facilities. People traveling from these countries which you see in the screen now can take their 14 days quarantine at their place of residence instead of the SDF facilities. This could save them at least $2,000 for these stay home government facilities. Next thing is, now they start consider Philippines and Indonesia with special requirements. It may those peoples can get more relaxation in coming months. Then how Indians can get entry approval? As India is still deferred to enter, for Indians currently the only option is to enter via third country like Maldives, Serbia, Indonesia and few other European countries which currently allows Indians and provide on arrival visa and open for tourism. Also, our travel history to stay away from India for last 21 days have no change. Please note, entering via third country is really expensive and risky because Singapore will change their decision very frequently. Once they allow more peoples to enter, most probably the cases will increase in Singapore. If there is any another outbreak, there is a high chances they can stop the entry approval again like what they did in few months back. Many people got their entry approved was cancelled and many stranded in other countries like Maldives and Sri Lanka. Let's see what other updates. All the eligible pass holders have to apply via Safe Entry portal. As of now, no change on this. If you have any family ties, you can apply via Family Lane. Others to ask your company to apply for you. The application process taking time is usually the same. They mention it is around 3 to 30 days. Entry approval will be granted plus or minus 1 day from your planned arrival date. So you need to apply for the dates by checking the flight availability. This also having no change. The PCR test requirement, stay home notice, the PCR test on arrival, PCR test during the stay home notice, all these have no changes and the fees are remain unchanged. Singapore aims to more relax once their population vaccinated for 80% and above and preparing for transition towards COVID resilience. More relaxation can come. We need to wait for September 2021 announcement. As Indians, this 6th August 2021 update does not benefit much but gives positive hope that in near future the things will be better and can travel to Singapore with less hurdles. So again, those who are not vaccinated yet, please complete your both dose of vaccination, particularly with Covishield vaccine as early as possible. Please subscribe and follow this channel for instant update on travel from India to Singapore. Thank you.